This is an overview of the field trip that will be going on to Redondo Beach Pier. You can see right there, just in general, we're going to be parking right about here, maybe here. We'll then take a group photo here, and then we will then move to the pier, either going on the pier, or some people might want to go directly to the beach, which will be located about right here. So that's the general thing. Let's get into some details here, a little closer up. Here, this will be entering here and parking somewhere in this area. And then you'll see the Captain Kids is here. Behind this Samba steak place will line up. And then there's kind of two ways to go. You can go kind of along the water here. There's some stores here. A lot of them might not be open. Or you can kind of go along this upper walkway. It's whatever your group decides to do. My thought right now is for our groups to form around this steakhouse in this area. We'll get our 5-6 chaperones with their group of 15 to 20. Then they can decide how they want to go about their visit, either going straight to the beach or checking out the pier first. This is what I kind of mentioned before. You have this nice walk along the waterfront. Here you have open air kind of seafood market with all sorts of crabs, lobsters there. It's kind of fun to look at. And then if you keep kind of moving this way out to the pier, this is a real pretty view. If you want to get straight to the beach, just duck under the parking structure and just keep walking around, and it's pretty easy to get to. There should be a bathroom about here and also a bathroom here. From what students have said, those aren't the cleanest bathrooms. When you're done at the pier, or if you go directly to the beach, this is where we're going to set up. There's a couple, it's hard to see here, but a couple lifeguard shacks, but you'll see this bathroom, a beach bathroom here. That's probably the nicest bathroom you're going to have all day. And what we want to do is set up ourselves, spread out along the beach. We can't have one big group together. We want to kind of be spread out with your chaperone groups. Okay, at 15 to 20. Try not to go too far past the this bathroom here. Now there will be a farmer's market. I just checked it out, and it closes at 1 o'clock. So you want to go there by 1 o'clock. But a lot of students really liked that last year. A lot of great food, great drinks. I have a list here. Crepes, Mayan delicacy, seafood, amazing oils, nuts, yogurt, a bunch of stuff. Students really like that. Probably healthier options. A lot of students go back to the pier and eat. So, you can kind of eat on your way over, or if you want to go to the beach first, kind of get out, set up your spot, and then go back over to the pier. So we're just kind of close-up view, well, different view. Here's that lifeguard tower. This is the farmer's market. Along this road here, we'll be setting up the restrooms that I mentioned. And a lot of students like this mini Chinese food place. There's hot dog on a stick, pizza, Mexican food, there's sushi. This is really cool. This Pier souvenir and gifts. It's shaped like a pirate ship. It's a pretty cool gift shop. There's some cool shops along the pier here. Oh, go back over here. Pier Seafood. A lot of students went to the Portside Cafe. Be careful of this Kobe, Pearl, and Gem. They'll be opening up oysters outside. It's really fun, but you will have to pay for the oyster being open, so be careful. There's some other food options along this place where this Fisherman's Wharf place is. Ice cream, I think. And there is an ice cream shop. This Jade Snow, which is right close to the beach, they have ice cream. So those are the main, and this is the bathroom I mentioned earlier. So those are the main food like this kind of area in here. I remember last year a lot of people just got food right in this area, as well as, you know, there were a lot of people that ate at the farmers market, because that's farmers market is right next to where we're going to be setting up for the beach. There's a nice walkway right here. Boom, you're at the farmers market. We definitely need to be on the bus and moving by 3 o'clock to get back to school on time. So I really want to be back to the buses by around 2:45. So let's plan on leaving about 2:20. We need to start heading out. 2:15, 2:20. Start heading out of the beach area, packing up, getting dressed. Last year it took a while to get all dressed and packed out of there. If you lose something, so 2:15. Let's say 2:15, and be mindful on the way back. It's really easy to just keep going along this pathway this way, and you don't want to do that. If you keep going this way, you're going to have to go all the way around, and you don't want. You're going to go all here and there. So when you're about halfway, you know, along the beach, you want to duck under the parking structure and then move, you know, stay on that bike path. It looks like a bike path basically. So don't keep going. Make sure you take a right and go underneath the structure, and that will get you back to the bus much sooner. All right, can't wait to have a great trip.